Hey guys, today we're doing a review on the all-new FARMMAC F070 chainsaw from NEOTEC. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is a 105cc chainsaw, just raw power right here in your hands. This thing is a copy of a Steel MS070, MS090, or MS1050 Magnum, and it is the upgraded version of the NEOTEC NS8105. It is a 105cc, two-stroke air-cooled engine. It's compatible with from 36 to 42-inch bars. I mean, pretty much the sky's the limit. This one's running a 404 chain with a 36-inch bar, and it is powerful. So this one features upgraded from the previous version, Taiwan NRB needle bearings, an Irish Tolston carburetor, full body magnesium alloy, Hildra Italian AET original flywheel, and an NGK spark plug. It also features a Taiwan shock absorbing elastostart handle, an aluminum muffler, and gravity casting cylinder. So guys, what I think is important about this chainsaw is it is just cool. It's not the lightest chainsaw out there, it's not the fastest chainsaw out there, but it is powerful and it is a monster. And it just looks cool. This is like running an old hot rod. Very cool chainsaw. So just like the other FARMMAC line of chainsaws, you do get a complete tool set with your chainsaw, including some spare parts. I'm not sure what this is for. It might be a cylinder piston stop. I don't know. But you do get a couple of wrenches here, a nice long screwdriver, and some gauges and measuring devices for chains, and your piston tools. Very cool, very nice little selection of hand tools here. You also get a nice mixing bottle if you want to mix up your own fuel. It does come with a very good instruction manual. It is short and to the point. It tells you everything you really need to know in a nutshell without all the extra fluff that you won't ever read anyway. It comes with a nice little bag to keep all of your tools and spare parts in. Guys, I gotta say, this is one of my favorite saws to run. This is the first time I've ever owned one of these, and I just really enjoy running this saw. Like I said, it's not the lightest saw and it's not the fastest saw, but it is powerful and it will get the job done. And it'd be great if you needed a saw to do some milling. This is the kind of saw you would want to mill your slabs with. It'll do it with ease. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with this chainsaw. Everything is very high quality. It feels just solid. There's just nothing skimped on this thing at all. Very impressed. The fit and finish all over it just looks gorgeous. The paint is really nice. The paint scheme looks really good. Everything fits like it should. There's nothing out of place, and everything feels high quality. And when I say that, I mean, you guys know when you pick something up and it's not right. You can feel it in your hands, and this thing just feels like high quality, like it should be. So we'll roll in some footage of this thing running. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.